Hello everybody, we're switching things up today because we are in the office. So today's video is a Christmas video, so I'm in my Christmas shirt. And I'm going to be showing you how I'm keeping costs down this year with getting all the kids on my list a very special and thoughtful Christmas gift, but also staying within budget. So make sure you stay tuned. Okay, so I have quite a few children on my list. You know, each of my friends have about 2 kids. And I like to get everybody a little something for Christmas, just to show you that I love you, I appreciate you, and kids like presents. But what I've noticed is over the years, I either wait too long or I buy something and I didn't really take into account bringing it in, and I just end up spending more than I would like to. So what I do is I set a budget, and I always break the budget. So this year I'm doing something very, very different. So as you can see behind me, this is where I'm in the office where the kids don't usually come. So this is where I can hide the Christmas presents, and I have a table to wrap, so I have space. So this year, what I'm doing, it's called I'm calling it a specially curated box from Levi and Remi to all of their friends. So the first thing I did is I said, let me look and see what I want to put in these boxes. And as you all know, Levi and Remi love bath time. So I started doing some research on Amazon as to some of the things that Levi and Remi like to play with in the bath. I reached out to a couple of the companies to see if I could get things wholesale price. So I'm going to break down the prices for everything for you so you can see what I have if you would like to copy what I'm doing, or if that's too little and you want to spend more on your friends, you can also do different. You know, you've seen people doing curated boxes. You can maybe do another theme, or if you want to do it a little smaller on a smaller scale, you can do that too. All right, so the first thing that you need, or that I needed for my box, would be the boxes. So I actually got these locally here in Jamaica at Practical Stationery. That's in King's Plaza. You can start there for a lot of your shopping because they have a lot of things. And then of course in front, you know, you can go to Michael's or wherever. So I'm gonna start with a box. I said, okay, I want to fill this box. So what are some of the bath time toys that they use? The first thing that you're gonna need is some bubble bath. No, I believe it's a 16-ounce bottle of bubble bath that the kids use. One of those bottles was able to fill 9, so I haven't finished yet. So I bought these bottles on Amazon, and what I need to do is just in some Sharpie, just write bubble bath on here. Then finger paint. This is really great because if you're playing with the kids in the bath, it comes out, it doesn't stay in the tub, and I think I allotted for 1 in each box. So maybe some boxes will have 2, but it's 1 in each box. Some bathtub finger paint. The bathtub finger paint came up to $44, and I got 24. And I think I'll be doing 20 boxes. Yeah, that's $44. Yeah, okay. And they come in different colors. The next thing that I thought was really cool was this bath foam. So it comes out like hair mousse, and it's soap. But the kids I sprayed it in the tub, and they loved it. So this now here, the foam was $36 for 8. So I needed a total of 24. So it was $108 for 24 of these. This was the most costly item in the boxes. So this was one of the last things that I added when I was trying to work out the pricing, just to make sure everything stayed within my budget. My item total for everything worked out to be $448. Let me show you the rest of the things in the box. So we have a bubble bath, we have a finger paint, we have bath foam, and then we have a bath bomb. And these bath bombs are really cool because once they start to dissolve, there's a little toy on the inside. So they come individually wrapped here, which is great. So I'll put a bath bomb in. Then we have, I've never used these before, but I thought it was really cool. And of course it came individually wrapped, which is very important. This is Magic Bath Crackles. So I guess you sprinkle them in, and kind of like, that sweetie that you lick and it would pop, pop, pop in your mouth. So yes, and I know this brand, so thought this would be cool. And it looks nice. It's nice and colorful when you put it in a box. So this is a little fishy. I don't want to open the package. Can you see that? So once you pull out the plastic piece from the battery compartment, the little fishy will start to wiggle his tail and he will swim around the bath. It's very cute. Levi and Remi have one in their bath and it is so cute. It's like, it just swims around and it's kind of cool because you're like, how is he doing that? So we got a little fishy, and then we have some bath drops. So what I'm gonna do with these bath drops is, I guess they look like tongues. I haven't even opened this yet. And then I'm gonna take 2 of these and just put in little baggies here. And then I'll put the label on them, what to do with them and what they're called. So after I searched for all the things that I wanted, I said, okay, so this all came up to, as I said, $448. That includes all the things that you see that will go into the box. It includes the boxes that I bought. It also includes the ribbon for the outside of the packaging. I'm not gonna wrap the boxes. I'm just gonna put a little ribbon on the top. And then this was on sale. It's like Christmas stuff. So I'm gonna like break off a little piece and put on the box as well, just to make it look all nice. And then some of this paper stuff, just so everything sits really nicely in the box. To bring everything together, to let the parents know what this is, who it's from, and what the items are in the box, I came up with a little poem. Of course, Nana helped me. Get your son or get your daughter, fill the tub with nice warm water. This box is filled with a few of our favorite toys. Bath time is one of our all-time joys. Getting clean and having fun after a long day in the Jamaican sun. Squirt some of the colored bath foam, then drop in a fish so he can roam. Plop in a tablet and turn the water blue, yellow, even pink. Add a bath bomb and watch it sink. This box is curated just for you. We hope you enjoy as much as we do. Merry Christmas and know that we love you. Big up from Levi and little Remi too. Love always, Levi and Remi. So I just find that this is like just a really thoughtful way to give a gift, but I'm staying way under the budget that I usually go over every year. So I'm gonna put together one of the boxes now so that you can see. But I will just, the poem, I'll just put on the lid of the box. So I'd measured, I think the lid was 8 by 8. So I asked Mommy to just print off and write in 7 by 7. I kind of wish I had a little sticker to stick on, but again, the stickers I think that I were looking at was $8, and I really want to try and stay within my budget this year. Divided by 20 equals, wow, I'm way under budget this year. Okay, so each box, I'm gonna do 20 boxes, so each box works out at about $22. And then if I want to add in like gas or whatever, so everything will come, each box will be under $25. And I think that's really, really great, especially when you're shopping around for kids. Like, toys are so expensive. So I think doing a creative box is a really good idea. If you don't want to do a bath theme, you could do like, I don't know, like maybe finger puppets, or I don't know, you could maybe look on Pinterest for ideas. But I thought the bath theme was really good because also you have different things that you can put in the bath. So right now, let us put one of the boxes together. Okay, so I just wrote on my little baggie here, bath drops, watercoloring tablets. Okay, so we have the watercoloring tablets. I need to get more bubble bath, but we're just going to put together one box now, and I think that would be great because I can kind of see where I'm going if I need anything else. So, not the best writing. This is your friendly reminder. Have you subscribed? Please make sure you click that subscribe button. Oh, and the like button too. All right, so I'm going to open this thing here. It looks like it's going to be a hell of a mess. I'm just fluffing it up because that whole bag has to be for 20 boxes. Yes, and this is enough for one box. Let's put it up. All right, so I'm going to put one. All right, well, I also what I'm going to do is on the bottom, once I finish the box, mark like a G for girls. So this is pink, so I kind of want to, the girls to get pink. Maybe I'll do a pink finger. Okay, all right, cool. So we have a fish, we have, so foam, finger paint, a fish, magic bath crackles. Then we're going to put our little water changing tablets and bubble bath. Oh, and a bath bomb. Nice. So just going through again, we have a bath bomb. We have the bath water changing color tablets. We have the little fishy. We have the bath foam. We have the bath crackles. We have finger paint, and we have the bubble bath. So whenever you're working with paper, instead of using like the squeeze out glue, it's always good to use a glue stick, just simply because it will lie flat on whatever you're working on instead of getting all gloopy underneath, and then it will raise the paper because you're wetting it up too much. So let me put my glue stick. I'm kind of really excited to see how this is gonna, like, the final product, because I've had this in my mind for so long. And I've just been collecting the things and I haven't put anything together. Go on the back. There we go. So when you open your box, your note will be there from Levi and Remi. And this is so cute. This is really cute. I'm already proud of myself. But I hope my friends aren't watching. I'm like, I can't believe Jodi only spent $22. You're probably saying Jodi's really smart, because Christmas is a very expensive time. And you just have to be a little creative. So I hope I was able to help out with these curation boxes. And we see companies more and more doing these little curated box. Yeah, you see them here? I just got one the other day as a little gift. It's really nice. I don't think I have enough of this ribbon. But if I run out of this ribbon, I'm going to use ribbon that I already have, because really and truly, I feel like I'm trying to prove to myself that I don't need to spend $1 million every single, well, literally. I mean, not literally. Definitely don't spend $1 million every single week. All right, so we're just gonna do one wrap around. All right, let's get a little looky around there. Looky. All right, I'm gonna cut here. Right, and then try and make this stuff work. This is actually not what I thought would come, but we're gonna make it work. Have to. Very cute. And what I'll just do is just write the child's name on the box. So one of the things that I've started doing, I believe it was last Christmas, and it's really helped me out this year, is I just put all the kids that I have on my list, and the adults, so this is my full Christmas list, front and back. Just because last year I was like, oh my gosh, I left off so-and-so. So I just added them onto my list, and this year I printed it off. And what I'll do is I'll put beside what I'm giving them. And once I finish their little box, I'll write their name on it as prettily as I can. As you can see, I've crapped too, and put it off to the side. But I think this is perfect. This is very cute. Merry Christmas. Okay, what other tips can I give? I could say, I think everybody says this, start shopping early. That's not a tip. Not everybody can shop early. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna assemble a few more of the boxes, just because I'm getting into the rhythm of things. And then when I go to the supermarket tomorrow, I'll pick up some more of the bubble bath so that I can really and truly finish and have all the presents wrapped or completed and ready for delivery. Because it's also nicer too, if before school is out, I can have them in the car. When I see the kids or the parents, I can just give it to them, just so I'm not running up and down all over the place once school is out in the traffic. Let's put together a few more. I guess if I wanted to spend a little bit more money, I could have gotten labels. I don't write the best, but I don't think it's ugly. So let's write it on my little baggies here. And now I shall continue in silence. this is why I wanted to kind of put the boxes together and then seal them after, simply because, surprise, surprise, my math was off. So each box, instead of just getting 3 color changing tablets, can get 6. So I'm just gonna, yeah, put I guess 3 more in each bag. Yeah, 3 more. 20. I'm gonna put more in each bag, and then we'll go from there. Alright everybody, that's it for these cute little Christmas curation boxes from Levi. My son's name is not Levi. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope I inspired you to do some budget-friendly Christmas gifts. And I hope you enjoyed my cute little Christmas curation boxes from Levi and Remi to their friends this Christmas. I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas and happy shopping. Budget-friendly shopping. Bye. Make sure you subscribe.
Hey!